that I downgraded. So give me the facts. What is it that Gigi doesn't have that Lutando has?
Okay, what you just said now, is it public knowledge? Is it known in
Who
public?
gives a fuck? You're the one who's supposed to give the public knowledge.
Bro,
you guys sit here and
no,
have conversations about things that the public don't know. You tell them these things.
No,
so this is your chance
okay,
to
wait,
say,
bro.
if it is not public knowledge, where did you get the information that makes you decide? Is it perception?
Reason, we talk about the things that are in our eyes. This is
Perception.
This is public. It's not perception. It's things that are in our eyes. That what you just said now, is it in our eyes? Was it ever publicized?
My nigga, I just asked you right now, if it's not publicized, how do you then quantify? On what level? On a public level? Are you saying that, okay, so you're saying Lutando's more famous?
She's more of a power, bro. I mean,
Lutando works for radio. She works on a radio station. She has bosses. Gigi doesn't work for anybody. She runs 4 companies, for that matter.
But that's
she
the thing.
employs 300 people.
Okay, but that's,
so forget the public knowledge. I'm talking about your knowledge. Fuck the public knowledge, your knowledge.
No, I'm not as close as Gigi like you are. The reason you hear.
So why the fuck would you make that opinion?
Okay.
Why the fuck would you say that?
Let me,
Do you understand how problematic it is for you guys to come on a platform on here and have an opinion that actually has no fucking facts? Okay, let's be serious about something. You guys sat here the other day and started talking about, why do piano artists stop dating dark-skinned girls and start dating light-skinned girls? You, Monaka, you came with this reverse racism, whatever. No, it's because of stupid chats like this.
No,
you
man.
You guys have opinion. My nigga,
no, that came
hold on. I'm saying that was cap. Your opinion standing in front of here, not having a valid reason. Let me tell you, there's no such thing as public perception, because your so-called public perception is taking away from the fact that it is a personal opinion. I'm not dating somebody because of their powerhouse. I'm not in a relationship with somebody because of what they have. I'm in a relationship with somebody because I love them. You sit here and have the opinion that I downgraded.